Recovery is all about supporting one another in the family.
The addiction and recovery community has always known the value of strong family support in achieving sobriety, and never has that been more important than now, because let's face it, the past couple of years have been rough. When the Journal of the American Medical Association looked at alcohol consumption during the pandemic, they found a 14% increase. Rand Corporation looked at both men and women, and they found that half of all women and 2/3 of all men had more alcohol-related problems during the pandemic. And when the National Institutes of Health looked at death certificates, they found a 25% increase in alcohol-related deaths during the pandemic. And that's what's led Hazelden Betty Ford to use the power of families now to get their loved ones into treatment.
Families are suffering.
In a room of empty chairs, addiction counselors see a new opportunity to fill lives with the power of their families.
I know this works. I've gotten the passionate feedback from families that this is what they want. These are the skills that they want.
Dr. Joseph Lee is Hazelden Betty Ford's president and CEO. Together with his counseling team, they are empowering families to convince an addicted loved one to seek treatment through a teaching program called CRAFT. It stands for Community Reinforcement and Family Training.
It's kind of a basket of skills that families are able to learn to interact with their loved one in more effective, most effective ways.
At its core, CRAFT teaches positive reinforcement to convince a family member to fill one of these seats in treatment.
And we teach skills like this. They come into breakfast, they've had a rough night, it's obvious to everybody. But instead of throwing down the gauntlet, you say something like, "Hey, Tim, it was great to see you this morning. I love it when you come join us for breakfast."
It's a small moment, but addicts and their families say the training sessions can work.
It was amazing.
This is 10-year-old Maya Vea talking about her mother's recovery in a Hazelden Betty Ford podcast.
They said that all you need to do is believe in yourself and believe in who you are struggling with, because really all they're looking for is help.
They're able to have conversations with their loved one where their family member is able to just put those walls down a little bit.
And academic research shows the CRAFT approach can work. A 2019 study in the Society of the Study of Addiction found CRAFT to be twice as effective as other methods. A separate study in the Journal of Consulting and Clinical Psychology showed 64% of problem drinkers entered treatment with the help of CRAFT training by their families. CRAFT is not meant to compete with other well-established family support programs such as Al-Anon. But Hazelden Betty Ford believes the supplemental benefits of CRAFT are so strong that it just trained its counselors to teach families how to use positive reinforcement to see the hope of treatment.
If there's somebody who's watching this who is doubting that, we hope that they reach out and come see what it is that we can offer and how we can be of service to them.
In the end, this is all about saving families and making people whole, correct? If you'd like to learn more about Hazelden's family programs, you can go to hazeldenbettyford.org/families. And we talked about the family support groups and Al-Anon too. You can go to them at al-anon.org. We put both of these addresses on our webpage, fox9.com, where I also have the extended interview with Dr. Lee.